Hello and welcome. Here in this video we are going to import classes from different script. Now first of all I will make here class, for this class s1, and I will make here, first of all I will define constructor here, init, for this, and brass. Here what we will do, I will make here to think self dot name is equal to name, just pass this is equal to this, self dot age is equal to, and this is, we will pass this number. Here I will pass self. Here we are allocating the value here, and I will make here print, simply print. I will pass here, if I get here, I should get here self, and this is of type print value. Now I will print, for this, what is going on there, name, and I will simply pass name, and I will make this as a str, so that, and print is let's save it. Here we don't need to do anything. Here I have another script that is called script 2. Here just I want to pass here from script 1, this is the Python file, and we have to import, we can import asterisk here. Let's make with asterisk, means all here, and I can say that I will make object of class obj is equal to, this is how you can make the library. Also this file will imported as the library that you make, like the tkinter, anything, this library that works easily like this. If you would make this, and library could be made. And here I will just make object dot name is equal to, I will pass here my name, and object dot age is equal to, I will pass numerical value here. Nothing will happen if we pass here string also, because it is the gift of the Python that we can change to any format after we initialize it in any data type. If this is integer, we can change to a string, character, or float in next command. And we have to just call here object dot print underscore value, and make nothing to make here. Let's run it here. Name is not defined here. Why it is not? Yes, self dot name. self dot name and self dot age, and this is dot. Let's save it and run it here. It should give me my yes, it is giving here. Let's see here, we have run this second file and we have get this. This is how all the library works. What library, you may know that library have written in difficult way and we can access it very easily. This is how we can access. Here you can make like this also. This is object. Here we can make class dot make class s2, and I can say define init underscore, sorry for this, I should get here self the comma name comma, here I can get age. Now here I will pass self dot name is equal to name, self dot age is equal to age, and self nothing left. Let's define ass val, means it will assign to that j dot, I will just assign this name is equal to self dot name and obj dot age is equal to self dot age, and here we have to pass self. Let's call this define call object, call print. You can simply call by this object also, but I will simply call this here, and I will simply call this obj dot, here I should pass this obj also, object self dot obj is equal to obj, here we should pass self dot obj, self dot obj, here also self dot obj, and we can simply print underscore value. This is how we can do this. Let's make it. I will make obj1 is equal to s2, and I will pass here name is Jack. Let's pass Messi and age is 35 and object is obj. Let's pass it simply and run this script. It should give, yes, it is not giving us anything because we have not called this. Let's make obj1 dot ass val and obj1 dot call underscore print. Let's run it. It will execute here. Yes, it is giving us Messi and 35. This is how we can call from this. We can work with two script. This is how In next video we will do with a unit test. This is a very important to test your script, it is giving a right answer or not. Thank you for watching this video, and let's make us our community big, share the videos and help the other.